The typical characteristics of a medium-high fin are in the 3 millimeter or 1/8 of an inch height. It is a process of creating a fin right out of the tube wall. As the sample I'm showing you here, you can see the end over here is the smooth portion of the tube, and then the fins are extruded out of the wall. So the fins are slightly larger. Typical usage of this product applies a lot to the fact of that it being copper. It is used a large variety in the refrigeration, heating and cooling type of industry, heaters, water heaters as a primary use for this application. Because of the copper being high heat transfer, used a lot in water applications. The unique properties of the medium-high fin tube is that it is extremely bendable, and that's what it is typically used in products where you need the parts bent into configurations. As you can see, I have a tight bend on this end, J bend on this end of the product demonstrating that, and that is because of the fact that not only is the OD controlled, and typically the fin ODs are, but the fin pitch on this is in the range of typically 7 to 11 fins per inch. But not only are the outside of the fins controlled, but the inside as well. It creates a corrugated surface on the inside of the tube, which allows for tight bend radiuses. And as you can see in the sample that I have here, that it is commonly bent into all kinds of configurations. And it really is unlimited to the configurations that you can bend the product because of its being copper, its soft, formable properties, as well as its high heat transfer, make it perfect for being bent into configurations for uses with in water and oil.